Oh, I'm live. Okay, testing. Hello?
Okay, testing.
Okay. So that works. Let's work with this. Oh, yes, this works. Just a bit of delay there. A pretty long delay. Okay, so basically we're going to have a chat right now. We're going to have a chat. Just me coding. And yeah, that's basically it. Someone did actually like that. Thank you very much for that. So basically right now we're going to start coding it. So I'm actually coding this game and I created myself. So currently right now this thing is like incomplete. So yeah. I do have a video to like upload soon. So yeah. So you can see that is a ball catcher game. So basically you have a ball and then can catch around with it. Basically. Hi. Hi. Thank you for coming to the stream. And so basically, guys, so this is my own code, and I make this myself. And this coding program where I code my game. So you can see that here's the code right here. It's a pretty long code, and I'm still struggling to like finish this one. It's just pretty long. And there's the end screen command. We also got like variables, like the variables, which is where you set all your stuff, and then setting like how much do you want this rectangle thing to be. Got like the different stuff, add points, minus points. So let's actually show you guys the game first. So we got start menu right here. So let's see if I can even just like run the game, because like just now it did not work. So let's see, can I run the game? Okay, the game is running. I don't know anything about coding. It says totally fine if you don't know anything about coding. I'm just here to chat with you guys and then maybe just like talk about stuff. So here we go. So that's my game right here. So it's called Ball Catcher. So we got the quick game button, we got the start game, and how to play. So quick game is pretty basic. Just quit the game just by pressing it, and then the game is quit. So we can run again. This is like really taking a long time because there's a decent amount of code inside here to run. So yeah, it's taking a bit of time. So we can see like how to play the game, and then I code all of those stuff. So what are the coding inside here, inside behind this how to play screen right here? So behind the how to play screen, it is in the start menu. Let's see if I can move this out a bit so you guys can like see the entire screen right here. And this thing is actually inside the start menu. So the how to play thing is in here. So you have the text, and then you have the different colored balls. So they are up here. And then if we go down, so look at this button right here, the quick game box button, the how to play button. So basically this seems very complicated, but it is totally simple. So basically this if statement is actually detecting the mouse. So in simpler ways, this should be saying like if my mouse X position, which is the X axis and the Y axis. So if my mouse is outside of the square thing right here, the square button, the color won't show up. But if I have it in here, the color will show up. So let's actually play the game a bit. So the game requires you to actually, there's a score system, and then yeah, it is very complicated. Let me tell you guys, this is really complicated. And then a few days ago, I was counting the code, and it was about 700 to 800 lines of code inside here. So it's pretty complicated. So if you don't understand, it is totally fine. You can play this game, and the main object is the bow. You can use your, not mouse to control, but use your left and right arrow key to actually control it. So let's actually play the game a bit right here. So you can see that I'm actually catching the ball. So basically, you have to avoid the black ball, and also, oh, there we go. We just catch a black ball. Like, you should not catch the black ball, because the black ball just kills you, and this is what it looks like in the end screen. Oh, one of my friends, Howie, hi, welcome to the stream. So, so this is the end screen right here. So you do have the statistics in here, and then you got all those sorts of different buttons, and they can be found here. So let's take a look. So you got the statistics of the game. Like, this is one of the parts which is the most complicated, I would say, because we do have to locate the text, and then put all the small balls right here. And then, so the statistics system is pretty simple. So in the start, so assessment, making the game. So in the main playing screen, and then we have the add points and minus point ball. When my ball is like, let's restart. When my ball is actually catching those balls, they automatically count into a variable. So let's actually try to die here first. Let me try to catch the black ball so I can die and represent stuff to you guys. This is so hard to die. Why? I just want to die. Come on. There we go. We just died. So you can see that the seconds stuff is not pretty good. I'm still developing that. And then also right here, because we catch, there's a death message here. So the death message is in the main screen right here. No, the end screen, and then there's a death text right here. So if the score count is less than 0, then you're going to be die, and then it's just going to say this message, and else it's just going to say another message. So yeah, currently this is about it. So let's actually count out the lines that I have in all those tabs right here. So let's actually count out one by one. So this one got 320. That's already a lot. And that's 103. This one got 91. Then right now, what I'm actually working on is that I'm trying to work on the wait, what is it again? I'm trying to work on difficulty increase. So what this means is that if the score is larger than 25, then a difficulty will be increased. But I'm still haven't worked out that. So wow, 1,018 lines of code currently. We currently got 1,018 lines of code. That is insane. Like, I haven't thought of having this much code in my lines. So yeah, so now basically what we're going to do is I'm just going to start coding, and this is going to become boring very soon. So this is just to reset the statistics system. They reset everything. So right now what I think I will do is that I will delete all of those if statement right here. No, the for statement, and then also delete this two. They don't really count anything. So let's actually restart everything, so we can get rid of the test array and other stuff. So this is pretty simple. So basically, if the score count is larger than 25, then our bow speed is going to increase by 1. So originally, the bow speed is basically just 5, I think. Wait, where is it? Wait, where's my... Oh, there we go, down here. That's the bow speed. So equal to 5. So just to let you guys know that a bit of increase in the speed, so let's set it to 60 again. Okay, let's try. So let's try to actually get to 60 first before. Ah, seriously? We already got the black ball? Yeah, it's pretty hard to avoid the black ball in this game. So let's actually get to there. Okay, now okay, there we go. You can see that the speed has just increased because our score have just reached over 25. So yeah, this is pretty not good right here. 0 people is watching. So I guess let's just start coding it. So first off, I'm going to actually code up another code, which is different from this one. So let's pull out here. Let's create a new one. So now I'm going to code up a simple code right here. I'm going to set some arrays up. So what's about again? So okay, I think I know what to do, but I'm just not really sure. So let's do 500 here. Draw. So we draw up the new float. So let's start speed. Let's see. So I might go offline at 9:30. I think I might just go offline at 9:30 because like it's going to take a pretty long time, and I also do have other stuff that I have to do. So let's see, what should I do again? I kind of forgot. I haven't really started a new document in a pretty long time. So let's do a background. No, we have to continuously refresh the background. So let's set it to 255. This one, the ball xi. So whenever you do an array, you do have to have a bracket and then an I in there, which is defined in the for loop right here. So let's do random on. Wait, this is just the width of it. Random with the width, and then we have this one with a set height, I think. For y with a random of 20, I think. I'm basically right now just blind coding, right? I'm just blind coding right now. So int score is equal to 0, and then we're going to print the score in the black box right here. So printing score, and then we just do fill the balls, I guess. We're gonna have the balls in stroke weight phi, and then fill it with a red color, and then we got the ellipse 25, 25, 20, 35, 35. Okay, so that will create a red ball. Let me turn down the stroke weight a bit, half it. And now we just have to add in the for loop. Try to do this. For loop int I is equal to 0. I is less than ball y dot length. Y plus plus. balls. Okay, there we go. That's done. So now we got this simple code right here. So basically, it is the array. So array, there's 10 different balls in here, and then it's just going to cycle through in the Y position. So the ball will just drop down. So if the ball is over the height, then it resets back into another position. Let me see, what can I do here? The color of my code is a bit bad. Yeah, the water color. So now let's actually try it. Okay, this is not what I was thinking. This is not what I was thinking. Okay, so let's do ball X right here. Ball X, I right here. Ball X should be random in the width. So it's like random at the top right here. The 500. That might work out too. There we go. 500. And then it's just going to drop. It's too slow. Let's add 10 right here. Why are they so slow? What? Oh, ball speed equal to ball Y plus ball speed. Okay, that might work. Okay, that's too fast. That is too fast. Let's set it to 5. Oh, okay. Ball Y. So ball speed. Ball Y is at 20. How should I do this? Okay, that is a pretty good one. So whenever it's over the height, we also have to reset the width of the position of the X ball. Okay, so now it's just going to generate in random heights, random widths. Every time is different. Okay, that works out. Okay, that's good. So now is the hard part where I start doing the score stuff. So the score has been 0. So if I'm gonna do a dist right here, distance of ball X and then ball Y, mouse X and mouse Y, and then we do that, and then this thing is less than or equal to half of the ellipse, so 35 divided by 2, so that's basically it. Then we do score plus equal to 1, and then ball Y is back up to 20. Okay, let's try. Yeah, this is working. This is working. Let's actually get the speed a bit lower. 8. That would be good. 8 is a pretty good number. Look at this. Now it's working. So we got the score adding up in the println. This is going to become harder. Yeah, I'm not pretty good at those games right here. Okay, let's not off track. So if if the score is larger than 25, now here's where it gets interesting. So when the score is larger than 25, I want this to be smaller amount. So I would do ball x I equal to 5. And then ball y I equal to 5. Now normally this would work, but it does not work. I don't know why, but let's see. Yeah, see? It doesn't work. It just, everything is all stuck over there. At the 5-5 position, I think. I think that's what's happening right now. Yeah, I think that's what is happening. It is setting the position of the ball X and ball Y in 5 instead of actually changing the ball amount. I do have to have a think about this because like I'm not sure how to do this. This is where I get stuck last time. Oh, I'm not really sure. Let's see what I do. Match. Float does not match with float. Float. So if they are actually stuck in that position, so let's say, for example, if I change it to 50, right? And when the score is actually over 50, everything's just going to be stuck there. I mean 25. You see right here? Yeah, everything is stuck in 25. 50 position over there. So I think that's what's happening right now. You can also check some stuff. I'm gonna actually check some stuff right now. So I think the way to fix this, right? I did try to like copy the float variables to here, but it's duplicate variables, so it won't work. If this worked, I would be pretty amazed, but 100% not working, I think. Yeah, it's not working. What if I do ball y? Ball y I is equal to ball x. That won't work. That just made it just stuck there. This definitely won't work. So let's change this to 10. Like the aim right now is to figure out this. If I can figure out this, whoa, that looks cool. That looks pretty cool. Everything is stuck on the axis right there. Or if I just do ball just equal to itself. Like, if I can figure this out, I'm closing the stream. I'm closing down the stream if I can figure out this out. I definitely think that won't work. Yeah, it won't work. Oh my goodness, what is this pattern right here? This pattern is just continue going. Okay. Let's see, I'm not really sure what to do, but I'm going to actually be off a bit because I have to get some stuff. Guys, I'm back. So, let me see right here. Right now, 26 minutes, 10, 38 seconds each. No one is watching. This is so sad. I'm actually eating some orange right now. Some oranges. Really have to think about this now. So, how can I send the amount if I... What if I do this? And ball amount. So I set it before the array, so this might be fine. No, it won't work. We can do here in score is equal to 0, so we have to score it. So we print in the score. Oh my god, it's dripping water. How can this be working? That's just not going to work. Guys, I might have to search it up. Really sorry, but I just have to search it up. Do really have to search it up. So, how to change array amount in processing. array of flexible sizes. Okay, guys, I might have to watch a video right now. Let me see. So can I array? Okay, okay, wait. I'm just going to help someone first. Can you? So yes, you can actually change the value of the array, but I'm not sure if you can like change it. Fine, guys. I have to watch a video now to understand what does array is, and then I will come back, I guess. So let me see. Okay, how can I stop the? Oh, okay, I can't stop the stream, but okay. So let me see, what can I do right here? I have to do something fast. Oh, I know what to do, guys. I know what to do. Okay, let's take off the desktop, and then yeah, there we go. We're done, and I'm going to actually get off for a second, and then we're going to be back. And let me see if I can add something on here. So if I lock this, they still can see it. Okay. There's a way to add a text before. I added before. Okay, now they can't see anything. So color source text. Okay, there we go. This works. Let me try to turn off my mic. Okay, guys. I just finished watching it. I just finished watching the video, and let's actually try again now. So if the score is larger than 10, we can say that in this array list, total is equal to 10. So let's try that. So if I is larger than is less than the total, then play that thing. If the score is larger than 10, then we want the total to -5. Wait, oh, okay. Minus equal 5. Just like that. And now let's try again. Let's see if we can do this. If this is working, I'm going down. Okay, it does not work. It just continue -5 until there's 0. So, what can we do? What can we do here? We're just going to -5 for a moment. What can I use? That's the up. Total -5, so we can't do that. Let's do ball x is equal to total -5. So that would work. And then we do the exact same thing for ball y. Everything is just going to go back to that position again. I really can't figure this out. Like, I could not figure this out. It's just so hard. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the stream here. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.